So if we now understand that the core finance functions is what we need to focus on, because it's a bare minimum, now we ask the question, what is accounting and what is finance operations? So talking about accounting, everything you thought you knew about accounting is probably not right. If, like many people, you believe accounting is math, you're wrong. It's not math. Accounting is not math. I've met so many people in my life who said, oh, I would have gone to accounting, but I'm just not that great at math. And I'm like, neither am I sometimes. Can't tell you how many times I can't add without a calculator. So accounting is not math. Accounting is storytelling. Everything that we do in accounting revolves around telling a story, specifically a financial story. So in the process of storytelling, we follow writing, reviewing, and reporting. Write, review, report. That's the cadence of an accountant and in anything that's accounting related in order to tell a story. We write the story, we review to ensure that that story makes sense and that that's correct, and then ultimately we take that story and we tell it. But then the question we need to ask is, who do we tell it to? Let me tell you this right now. No matter what the business is, almost every single business is going to have audiences that fall into one of these three categories. Number one, management. Number two, government. And number three, investors. Now, most small business owners in America understand, I gotta pay my taxes. I've gotta file my taxes. Taxes, 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 taxes. But what many people don't understand is that's one of three audiences you need to be mindful of, okay? So, yes, we want to file our taxes at the end of the year, but that's not the primary reason why we do accounting. We also have to write, review, and report stories to those who are in charge of managing the business, i.e. you, small business owner, and also the investors. Now, many of you who are listening today, you are both management and investor. So I would say that one you could potentially combine together, although you do still want to have clarity on what is the money that I'm putting into my business and ultimately what is the return that my business is creating. That's an important thing for an investor to understand. Management is really concerned with what decisions do I have to make differently in my business to make sure that it's thriving and growing and doing what it is that I want it to do. So if you have approached accounting as assuming that we're only ever talking about taxes, I want you guys to walk away from this and understand that accounting is so much more than just checking boxes and making sure the government has what they need in order to get their taxes. I want you to walk away and know management accounting is so important. Do not skimp on this or else you run the risk of losing your business. All right, accounting, financial storytelling.